Hola, bienvenido o bienvenida un día más al canal. Welcome back to the channel. Soy Marta. I'm Marta, your new Spanish teacher. And in today's lesson, we are gonna learn the vowels in Spanish. In Spanish, it's really easy. We only have 5 vowels. We have A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. A, sorry, I put this in the wrong place. A, E, I, O, U. I know in English this sounds is E, but for us is this one. So this is E, this is I. So we are gonna do it one more time. Repeat after me the vowels, and then we are gonna repeat some words that we can use with those vowels so you can see the sounds. The first one, A, E, I, O, U, U. And then we have casa, casa, verde, verde, fin, fin, oso, oso, luz, luz. Something that you need to know about the Spanish language is that we love vowels. We love to put vowels like together, and in a small word you will have like 3 or 4 vowels. So that's why into these lessons I wanted to put as well some small words that we use in our daily life, and you know how to pronounce the vowels when they are together. The sound is the same, so that doesn't change, but maybe if you see this word and you're unsure about how to, like handle that word or how to pronounce it, this is gonna help you. So let's start with the first one. So we pronounce this word as tierra. And I'm gonna say more slowly. Ti-e-ra. Tierra. Then we have cielo. Ci-e-lo. Cielo. Then we have huevo. Remember, the H is silent in Spanish. It's like non-existent for us. So it's u-e-bo. Huevo. Tiene. Ti-e-ne. Tiene. Paella. Pa-e-ya. Paella. Río. 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 María. Ma-ri-a. María. María. Poeta. 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 And that's everything for today's lessons. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next week. Nos vemos la próxima semana. Adiós.